Tired of leads slipping through the cracks? Let's transform your real estate game with automated email campaigns in Kvcore, turning those cold leads into warm clients. First, log into your Kvcore account. Navigate to the Marketing Autopilot section, typically found on the left-hand side menu. This is your command center for all things automation. Click on Smart Campaigns. This area houses both pre-built campaigns and the option to create your own customized sequences. Explore the available templates or start from scratch. Consider your target audience and marketing goals. Kvcore offers filters to narrow down campaign types, like listing, promotions, or lead nurturing. Now, let's segment your audience. Select the specific lead types you want to target. Kvcore allows you to filter by property interest, behavior, or source. This ensures your message resonates with the right people. It's time to customize your email template. Tailor the message with personalized greetings and relevant property information. You can add your branding, adjust the layout, and incorporate compelling call to actions. Next, set up your automation triggers. Determine when and how often emails are sent based on lead behavior, like a new lead registration or a property view. Strategic timing is crucial for engagement. Once you're satisfied, activate your campaign. Monitor its performance through Kvcore's analytics dashboard. Track open rates, click-through rates, and overall engagement to refine your strategy. By implementing these steps, you can leverage Kvcore's email campaign features to nurture leads, build relationships, and close more deals. Start automating your success today.